Sarah, don't get involved in this. Actually, make it legit. Don't do that.
Your wish is my command.
That's what she said.
You get out of breath, Trent? Huh?
My muscles is popping out. I can't control it.
Oh, look, there's a fan.
That's what he said.
Flexing.
Expelliarmus Patricius.
Sarah, what did you just say?
Bow down.
Put
bow
the fake,
down.
put the fake one down. If you don't know the spells.
I wish upon five dragons in the land pot.
Oh my goodness.
I wish upon the wish a nigga would.
I am Mr. Pop and Lockett. I said, I am Pop and
Right now, Trent, you look like Debo.
I forgot he has asthma. He's gonna die. Resuscitation.
No, he's not gonna die. Whoever's watching this video, he's gonna be fine.
I think this is it. This is it. A step up for you.
oh, you slap me like a wrestler slap somebody on the chest. I shaved my chest too. It hurts.
Oh my gosh, this is really the most perfect video I think that ever existed.
Thank you, Mike.
And I think we're done. I think we're done.
Please don't stop the music. Music. Star Trek.
DJ, drop that beat one more time. One more time.
I can't hear you. I can't. All my thetas. I forgot what I was going to say. All my thetas. Wait. Hit me one more time. We rep the thetas. Thetas, thetas. We rep the thetas. Thetas, thetas. We rep the thetas. Snaps.
Are y'all done?
No.
All right, good job. Good job.